In this video, I will be answering several questions that have been asked to me. So, what about this week, first of all? For global markets, again a down week. Friends, you will see lots of ups and downs. It's a mixed week. Every time, don't think that I will only say that it's a down day and a down week. I had only cautioned about some periods which I still feel are about to come. If you don't know the days properly in advance, you will make a mistake. That's all I was trying to say. Still there is action, still there is some downward momentum expected, but not right away. Okay, there's still some trigger points which are missing. We know what those trigger points are, and when those trigger points get triggered, you will see the downfall like magic. Many have raised questions about, they say you said best trading days and things like that. Friends, the best trading days don't come one after the other for 20 days at a stretch. They will keep coming. A couple have come and more, and the best are yet to come. So don't worry, I won't change my statement. Third, many are asking, what about the Indian rupee? Indian rupee has come down, but it has come down against the US dollar primarily in the backdrop of rising interest rates. You saw the US dollar rise against most currencies. So the Indian rupee has come down, but as you can see now, as the recession fears grow, the hike of interest rates by the US Federal Reserve may slow down, and that may also have, and you're already seeing signs of some impact on the US dollar. So you'd see currencies which had suddenly depreciated do retrace some of their steps. Now this is from a very short term perspective. Many think that a dollar like Indian rupee will keep depreciating like it has historically done in the past. I think they are all under a wrong impression. They don't understand how the Indian economy is changing vis-a-vis the other countries of the world. Just because history is there, history is not always the best guide. There are some structural changes which are taking place in the Indian economy, which will have a deep impact in the balance of trade, in the current account, the capital account deficit, surplus, and there will be tremendous impact that may be arising because of the foreign investments, the foreign direct investments, the FDIs as they are popularly called. So you have to wait and watch as this money comes in a faster speed. You will find that the Indian the inflow of dollars will be so substantial that this all can lead to an appreciation also to some extent. So don't always, there are many people who are just banking on that on an average 3% you'll see a depreciation in the Indian rupee every year. So don't take it for granted. Okay, tides can turn. In this world, there is nothing which is sacrosanct, nothing which is cast in stone. Everything changes and changes rapidly. I believe that this answers the question that is being raised. Many have been critical of the rupee depreciation. It was in the sphere of things. What about the inflation? The food prices going up, energy prices. But then once recession begins to step in, you will find that the oil prices will begin to soften. The food prices will also soften, and other commodity prices as well. So inflation cannot be just one-way street to heaven. Okay, there will be twists and turns on the way, and you'll see them quickly. One question somebody is asked: what is the best attitude? What are the inherent qualities that an investor should have to make best money? Be kind and noble in your thoughts. Do good to others. And if you cannot do that, don't harm anybody. That negative thinking, negative action is what kills you. The money that you make will not sustain. That's the biggest thing I can tell you. Same software can be used to upgrade capabilities to enhance the manufacturing facilities. You can use robotics for so many things, which can hasten the speed at which manufacturing takes place. You can do so many good things with it. And that same software engineering in the brain of a person who is not a positive minded person can put him in the profession of hacking people's emails, YouTube channels, right? It's a destructive utilization of mind. We have had some problems as well. But from my heart of hearts, I forgive them. God bless them all. It did cause us a lot of pain, but it's an act which is of no use. It doesn't. We are in the business of democratization of investments. We are trying to empower the small investor with knowledge which only the big people have. Naturally, that is bound to have some people who are not happy, the large players. Where it was that a small investor knew when the big falls will come, the big crash will come, and whether you should keep your money in the stock market or take it out. We are empowering the small investor, giving them the tools which only the big players have had so far. It's bound to raise some eyebrows. It's bound to create some unhappiness in the minds of big players, provoking them to take certain steps, try to get us out so we are unable to communicate, but we will not stop. This channel is not of the big players, it is of all of you subscribers. I don't own the channel. You own the channel. I am only a small tool in your hands. You are the people who are going to command this channel, not me. It is not my channel. The content is not mine. It is your content. You are the owners. I am acting at your direction. Friends, I may not be 100% perfect all the time. Sure, the markets have been tough as well. But yet I honestly believe I've worked from my heart and I've worked with all integrity to give you the information over so many years. I can tell you for sure that 85 to 90% of my predictions have at least minimum on a minimum come correct. It's been entirely due to your cooperation and support, and I hope that I keep receiving your blessings. It is without your support, I don't think I'll be able to function. And friends, this week, many are saying that there is no action in the markets. This week may be a little mixed week. May start okay. Then you may see some problems Tuesday, Wednesday. Okay. So it's going to be a mixed week. But don't forget that there are two important events which are waiting the world scene. One is there is a Black Friday, there's a Thanksgiving sale in the United States, even in other parts, Western countries, United Kingdom. And if the consumer demand falls anyway short of expectations, the sales, the Black Friday sales, the Thanksgiving sale, Thanksgiving holiday sales, that falls short of expectations, that may lead to recessionary fears in the minds that can go and rattle the markets. So whether that will, that is another question. It's a $1 billion question. And friends, to get more, so that's going to be one very, very crucial trigger point. The Black Friday sales figures of November 25. And then as we look forward, we have another event of the Federal Reserve meeting next month, December 14. December 13 is an important CPI data that will confirm whether the inflation is here to stay or whether it's cooling down at a rapid pace. And to get to know more, friends, do join if you are interested in the Dow Jones, S&P, Nasdaq, then please do join my Prime or Prime Plus channels. And if you are interested in the Nifty, you can also join my Premium Plus or Premium Elite. And you can also take a combo package where you can combine Dow Jones, S&P, Nasdaq and and the Indian indices, the Nifty, Sensex. We also give some very good stock recommendations, stocks which are doing extremely well. So do be a part of our group, Art of Investing, and continue to enrich yourselves with knowledge. And our predictions are not very easy. They take tremendous effort. There's a lot of data costs involved, and we just ask a little small fraction from you. So thanks very much for your cooperation, and God bless everyone. God give positivity in the minds of everyone, including the hackers and the people who don't do incorrect things, and let the spirit of goodness, cheerfulness be in the hearts of everyone this Thanksgiving season. And wish you all a very happy Thanksgiving, much in advance, of course. But Thanksgiving is a period where you thank people, and I thank you all for all your support over the